Right, let's move this stuff out of the way because we have one more draw to do. Because we have the man, the myth, the legend that is Jason Paige. Come on up, Paige. Come on up. You're old. Hello there, my good sir. How are we?
Very, very glad to finally be here with you.
I know. I've had a whole day. Have you been having?
This is the hardest working man in the room, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Round of applause.
Have you been having a good day, though? Have you met lots of nice people?
This is the best group I've ever been in the room with. This is the most incredible energy. You guys are wonderful. So much creativity, so much thoughtfulness, beautiful people everywhere. I love this. This is amazing. I'm very, very excited to pick the winner and to sing with that person, whoever it is. We have lyrics, but I suggest we turn them off for that person. No.
I'm pretty sure that 95% of the people here won't need the lyrics.
That's right, I imagine so.
Right. Can we get the box, please? And can we get some microphones? All the voice actors.
I'll go in. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
There we go. Let's mix this up a little bit.
For the charity, the person who is going to come up here and sing with me is the incredible Ryan Stark!
Where's Ryan?
Come on up to the stage, Ryan Stark!
It's the big armor man.
Don't trip. Ladies and gentlemen, Ryan Stark! I really wanted to meet this guy, and now I have. Incredible. This is one of the most special costumes that's
for the record, by the way, he is not on stilts.
No,
he is actually that tall.
This is fabulous. What a beautiful costume. Incredible. This is what I'm talking about, the incredible creativity that goes into these things. It's fabulous. Thank you for your efforts.
Right. Tech Man, are you ready?
Are you ready for this, Ryan?
Can I have a thumbs up? Are we ready?
I'll sing the first line, you sing the second line, and then we trade back and forth that way. Yeah? Yeah? Have you done this before? You sing the high harmony. Oh, here's a microphone. Microphone number 2. Is it on? No.
Oh?
Right. Yes.
If you do it, it's low on battery.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I want to hear the big group backgrounds from everybody out there.
Oh,
are you ready, Ryan?
Guys, we can do better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear some noise for Mr. Jason Paige!
Yes! I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. Yes, Ryan! To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. Yes! I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. It's Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon, a heart so true. Our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Catch 'em all. Lay down and rock the muscle, Ryan. Make some noise. You start this one. Every challenge along the way, with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. For me, the time is right. There's no better team. Running hard to win the fight. It's always been our dream. Pokemon, it's you and Ryan. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must defend. Pokemon, a heart so true. Our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I interesting to hug you. Thank you, dude. It was incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Ryan. Tomorrow, there'll be more of that.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much, sir. That was fabulous.
Come on in. So guys, one more time, let's make some noise for our winner Ryan and Jason Paige! Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
I feel blessed right now holding this microphone, just saying.
Like, oh, I'm never washing this microphone again.
eBay, holding on to it right now.
It's got Michael Tundon's shaving cream on, and it's been sung the Pokemon by Jason Paige. Right. Are you guys ready?